Latest pictures from outside Home Minister Rajnath Singh's residence in the national capital, where workers from the Aam Aadmi Party have gathered to protest against the rape of a 25-year-old Gurgaon professional on Friday night in the national capital, once again raising concerns over women's safety in the city. What we can see now is that the police has come into picture. They are trying to remove the protesters from outside the Home Minister's residence, but the workers from Aam Aadmi Party are not relenting. My colleague Aditi is with us for more on the story. Aditi, just talk us through the pictures that are just coming in.
In fact, right now we are seeing a bunch of Aam Aadmi Party workers who started their protest outside Home Minister Rajnath Singh's residence just a couple of minutes back. In fact, they are protesting against the attitude of the government towards the safety and security of women. In fact, most of them are saying that when the BJP government came into power almost 6 months back, at that point of time, including all the senior leaders, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they had ensured that they will ensure safety and security of women, especially in the national capital, which at this point of time is in a major mess. But the incident that just took place a couple of days back, in which a 25-year-old professional from Gurgaon was raped by a private taxi driver, they are protesting against that. They are saying that what exactly has the government done over the past couple of months to ensure the safety as they had promised. In fact, they are demanding a response from the government. They are asking the government to come out clean as to what their efforts have actually been to ensure the safety and security that they had promised. In fact, they are also saying if the Home Minister himself, under which the Delhi police come, under whose purview the Delhi police comes, if the Home Minister himself is not able to control such a menace in the national capital, then it's better that the Home Minister should step down and resign from his post. In fact, right now we are seeing a lot of Aam Aadmi Party workers angry, demanding a statement from the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. But what we also getting to learn is none of the BJP leaders at this point of time are going to give a response to the demands that are being made by the Aam Aadmi Party workers. Over the past couple of days, we have seen the BJP giving out statements that they are doing whatever they can to ensure that this case comes to a close. But the slow attitude of the Delhi police in this entire case has really angered a lot of people in the capital, including the Aam Aadmi Party workers. In fact, the BJP at this point of time is blaming the Aam Aadmi Party of politicizing such a sensitive issue that took place a couple of days back. But clearly the Aam Aadmi Party refusing to relent. They are going to continue with their protest. They are saying till the time the BJP does not come out clean on what exactly they are doing, till the time the Home Minister does not come out and give a statement as to why there has been a delay of arresting the accused in this entire case, why the Delhi police till now hasn't been able to do a swift action, take a swift action as they had promised when this case actually broke out. Clearly, it is not only the Aam Aadmi Party at this point of time. We're also learning that even the Congress youth wing, just a couple of hours back, just after a couple of hours, they are also going to be protesting against the Home Minister and the Bharatiya Janata Party right outside the Home Minister's residence. So it is going to be an action-packed day with all the political parties launching a direct attack on the BJP over the issue of the rape of the 25-year-old professional from Gurgaon.